I was approached a few years ago by Steve Morgan that's planted the seed for my latest innovation. He's talking about those hydra waves, those speakers you chuck on your boat and they play sounds of like barra feeding or distressed bait fish. So I've decided to adopt that idea, but for a different purpose. Now I've been feeding the birds at work for about 2 or 3 years now, and all I can get to visit the feeding station is turtle doves and those minor birds. I've been trying to get the bloody lorikeets to come in, but they've resisted all my attempts so far. I've tried ugly bird feeders, fancy bird feeders, honey water bread and seed, part of me reckons it's just the location of the bird feeder. It's hidden away in a little nook and cranny with no native flowering gums around. I mean, this thing's pretending to be a flowering gum, but I haven't actually seen it flower. But I think I might have the answer. Well, they've resisted the honey water, they've resisted the bird seed, they've resisted bread, resisted me calling out to them, but I think it's time to get serious. Yeah.
You've done it. That's so real.
Yeah, done it. Hopefully these tunes will get them coming in to party.